And if you see the previous one, right, if you see that previous pattern, all of you just uncomment the previous one. I uncomment the previous one. Okay, previous one. Now let's done both here. Suppose this is the first one, this is the present one, right? Now all of you, I can mix both, guys. I can mix both as a new pattern. Means if I give the number 5 like this, then I want to get output this all like some kind of diamond shape, guys. Okay, the space is coming here like this. Very simple. Same. Just combining these two. That's all, guys. Combining these 3 for loops plus these 3 for loops under single I loop. That's all. Under single I loop, combine these 3 for loops again. These 3 for loops. Or you can take same this for loop, same again this for loop. Correct, guys. That this all program. Let's try now. Just all of you, okay? Instead of telling like that, so what do I do here? Let's go for the new pattern. Let's go for the new pattern. Pattern 29, 28. Oh, this 29. I think I given the wrong number, guys. Here 29 or this is 28. Okay, sorry. Right. Now 29th pattern. That's all. All of you. This is the one pattern now. This is the one pattern. Okay. Now for this one, what we do, we can divide into 2 parts. This is the one part, one program which is already over. This is the second program which is just now over. So both programs I am going to combine. Both programs I am going to combine. All of you observe. I just take the what's first one. This is the pattern 29. Okay. Same. This one also. All of you. Right. So debugging same, guys. Debugging wise same here. One second. This is the when I value 1. This is what when I value 2. Sorry, this is J, right? In terms of M all same, guys, right? When I value 1, M also 1. When I value 2, M repeating how many times? 1, 2. Like same J, right? When I value 3, it repeats 3 times. When I value 4, it repeats 4 times. When I value 5, it repeats 5 times. Like that, debugging is there for both programs already. Now let me try this one. I'll comment about 2 programs now. I'll comment about 2 programs. Sorry, this is the comment, right? That's all, guys, right? All of you. So if you understand the previous 2 patterns, that is pattern 27, pattern 28, combining of both giving a complete which one, guys, like a program here. All of you. Okay, first program and present second program. If combine both, giving a new pattern, guys. Giving the new pattern. I hope, guys, you don't require which one again explanation of all the program, right? Because these are 2 different programs. So those 2 already over, right? This program over already. These also are already over. Just copy and paste two programs at one place. That's all. Right, all of you guys, I think you're clear this one, right?